Who is MrBeast? Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, was born in Wichita, Kansas, on May 7, 1998. In February of 2012, when they were only 13 years old, the YouTube user made their debut. In his earlier videos, he focused primarily on showcasing video game footage and estimating the net worths of other YouTube celebrities. Later, he gained online fame after a video of him counting to 100,000 was uploaded to YouTube and became viral. The counting exercise required 40 hours of his time. PewDiePie swiftly asked MrBeast to a competition to determine which YouTube channel has the most subscribers. Jimmy started the official YouTube account for his films on February 19, 2012. When he initially began posting gaming footage, Minecraft was the very first video game he ever captured. After a year, Jimmy began to record additional games, including Pokémon Online, Black Ops 2, and Battle Pirates. In the first episode of his first series, he explores the earnings of numerous YouTube personalities, including PewDiePie. After 2 years of making gaming videos, Jimmy shifted to making discussion films, in which he discussed a variety of unconnected topics. Jimmy's YouTube channel hit 2,000 subscribers on April 18, 2015, prompting him to record a video expressing his gratitude for the channel's continuous growth. In 2016, he produced a series entitled Worst Intros in which he laughed at subpar introductions. However, these videos have been removed because in 2016 to 2017 he turned his focus to challenges, followed by antics that help him gain notoriety. This is mostly because to his generosity and the unique stuff he creates. As time progressed, the films depicted increasingly challenging competitions and increasingly lucrative prizes. MrBeast grew from an independent YouTuber with a few friends to a production company at one point, registered as MrBeast LLC, with approximately 50 employees who were shown on camera and presumably around 50 more employees off camera, all of whom were highly compensated to work on MrBeast's videos for a living, and Jimmy serving as the CEO. MrBeast started producing gaming videos in 2020, reaction videos in 2021, and charitable videos in 2021 as well. They also have ADR technicians, logistic technicians, producers, 2 accountants, a lawyer, administrative personnel, a personal bodyguard, a business manager, a talent manager, medical professionals for problems, construction workers who build his sets, and talent managers. The year 2022 indicates that MrBeast has become one of YouTube's most popular and well-compensated content providers. Since then, he has developed his firm and now employs over 60 people, many of whom were his childhood friends. In addition, he administers several other YouTube channels, including Beast Reacts, MrBeast Gaming, MrBeast Shorts, and a channel dedicated to humanitarian giving. Since joining YouTube in February 2012, the YouTuber is the second content creator on the network to reach 100 million subscribers. MrBeast surpassed this milestone on July 28, 2022 and is now only 11 million subscribers behind PewDiePie, whose real name is Felix Kjellberg, who presently has the most subscribers on the channel. He has given away over 100 PlayStation 4 consoles, over 100 autos, and even an island. Even in a single video, he distributed $1 million, or £819,600. MrBeast's $456,000 Squid Game in real life video has received a remarkable 277.1 million views, making it the most viewed video in the channel's history. One victor took $456,000, £341,000, after winning all of the challenges in a replay of the Netflix-hosted mega-hit television series Squid Game. The winner of the jackpot was participant number 079, Trizon, who defeated 455 other competitors by completing familiar challenges from the show. Red light, green light, the Dalgona challenge, tug of war, marbles, and the glass stepping stones were among these obstacles.